plates for us.
Hey everyone, I'm here with my friend Erik, who you might know as Sous Chef Erik. He's making Oeufs Jeannette. Is that what it's called? Oeufs Jeannette?
Oeufs Jeannette,
which
yes.
is a dish I've never made or had before, so I'm excited.
Yeah, so this is something, this is a Jacques Pépin dish. I think it's only, it's something his mother made, and his mother's name is Jeannette. So in honor of her, you know, he calls it that. And so, yeah, it's just eggs, hard boiled. And then you take out the yolks, mix them with persillade.
So parsley in there, garlic?
Garlic, yep. Parsley, garlic.
Any, like olive oil, anything like that?
No olive oil, a little milk, actually.
Okay.
And salt and pepper and a little mustard. And then you just stuff them back in to the yolks, and then you make a little sauce with the remainder of the yolks. Like
so it's kind of like fried deviled eggs.
Yes. Yeah, very much like that. And you just fry the bottoms here, or I guess the tops. Yeah, I love this dish. You just need to brown them. They don't even have to be hot. In fact, these will probably be
cold on the bottom.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And the sauce is what now?
Yeah, so the sauce is more of the egg yolk that's left over, with some vinegar, water, olive oil. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, mix it in. If you need something, salt and pepper. I put a little bit of juice from cornichon in it. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. All right. And then, yeah, it's very simple. So you just take your sauce and then put it at the bottom here. And then when the eggs are ready, you just nestle them in. And you can eat them, you know, with fork and knife, or just like deviled eggs.
Can we pick them up with our fingers?
Yep.
Okay.
That was my plan, Kenji.
I'm going to go have the Wurstall deviled eggs this afternoon.
Oh, those were the best. You just flip them a little bit just to warm them on the other side, but you don't brown them on the other side.
Weird green light. From the
Yeah, everything in this place is green, Kenji. How's that? That's the cottage life. All right. So there we have it.
So we got, what, Jacques Pépin's mother to thank for this?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Yes, we do. Apparently she was an amazing cook. Actually, let me get a spoon for this. You can arrange these however you want.
Is this recipe in one of Pépin's books?
I actually don't know. I saw a video on it.
Okay. So you can find this, like, on
yeah,
YouTube.
he's got a couple of videos about this. This is from, I think, like the Master Series videos.
Okay. Well, we've probably even seen this video at some point.
Yeah. All right. Let me know what you think.
Okay.
It might be a little hot, but
I'll dip my fingers in the cooling,
that's kind of the fun.
sauce.
Yeah. Go for it.
Oh.
That's all right.
Got on your floor. Sorry.
Good? Yeah.
It's like a really good warm deviled egg.
Yeah. Yeah.